Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to change out your halogen bulb if it's blown, your low beam on your 2011 Toyota Rav4. Okay, so when you open the hood, it's right beneath this cover here. There's a clip here. This one doesn't have a clip, so if you lift this up here and you take out the clip, you lift it up, it's right here. It's the bulb all the way um, in the middle one with the brown connector. So to remove the connector, you just have to press on this tab here. Here, press this tab here. There's a tab here. You press it. Sometimes hard. You press it, then you remove the like here. You press here, and you pull it downwards, and then you twist the bulb. Let me show you here. You twist this bulb here counterclockwise like this, and you remove it just like this. It's in here like this. Twist it like this, or you can remove the connector, the harness wire connector with it, and then take out the halogen bulb. And to put it back in, you just, as you can see, there's like a tab here, so make sure it clips in properly. That tab needs to go in this hole here. So when you put it back like this, you put it like this, like the same way you took it out, and then you twist it like this clockwise, and then you make sure you connect the plug. Put it back like this, and then you twist it just like that. It's in already like this, and then you just take your connector, this connector here, and just make sure it clips in all the way. And that's how you do it. That's how you change your halogen bulb. Or if you want to put LED lights, this is the passenger side. You can take out this clip here also, or you can just push your hands between here, make sure the vehicle is cooled off. You push your hand all the way there, you see that brown one there, but it's easier to take off this plastic guard here. So same as the driver side, passenger side is the same. If you want to change your remove and replace your halogen bulb, or you just want to put the plug and play LED lights on. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.